So yep, y'all see the backgrounds. It looks like a bedroom. Like, I can't believe all of this has been done, and I can't believe I'm showing how idiotic I look in this bonnet. You can see the lighting coming from my lighting kit. If you come here, so as you can see, ooh, so you can see behind me, this is all of the space that I'm working with. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? That's crazy. So it's gonna be really fun. My camera is about to die. Let me go charge this battery, and yeah, bye. All right, you guys, so I'm coming at you from my photo studio. Shout outs to a bonnet and the forehead. But we are down here, and as you can see, the mirror is clean, and on top of that, we have finally emptied out this room. It's so huge. I'm in love, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what we're working on. This is, I don't even know, this is the 12th of January, so I officially have 1 week until I go back to school, and I would say about 6 days to really get all the extra stuff out of the way. So this is how the room looks. This is the mirror, which I love. I think it does this corner justice. This is the table. We're gonna obviously fix that. We're gonna get rid of those things. This is the carpet that we're working with. Yes, ignore that. This is my light. This is the reflector umbrella. So this is what it looks like when it's on. This is the light. It's pretty cool. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So it is very spacious. I'm also gonna go